Welcome to Nexentis. In this short video, we'll show you how to sign up for a Nexentis FQM subscription. Start by opening the Nexentis subscription page. Enter your company name, first name, last name, email address, and phone number. This information will be used to create your Nexentis environment and send your onboarding details. Next, choose your billing frequency. You can select monthly billing or yearly billing if you prefer to save with an annual subscription. Then select the Nexentis FQM plan that matches your needs. After that, choose your billing method. You can pay securely by credit card through Stripe or request invoice billing if your company prefers to pay by invoice. Before continuing, review and accept the terms of service. If you choose invoice billing, an additional section will appear. Enter the billing email address, company billing address, city, province or state, postal or zip code, country, and an optional purchase order number. Once everything is complete, accept the terms of service and click Create Invoice Subscription. If you choose credit card payment, you'll be redirected to the secure Stripe checkout page. Here you can review your selected plan and the free trial period. Enter your payment details and billing address, then click Start Trial. Your payment method is saved securely by Stripe, and you will not be charged until the trial period ends. After your subscription is created, you'll see the Success page. This confirms that your Nexentis account has been created. You should now check your email for your onboarding information, including your download link and activation details. Your welcome email contains everything you need to get started. At the top, you'll find the Download Desktop Software button. This link allows you to download the Nexentis FQM installer. The email also includes your login email and your one-time activation code. Keep this email for future reference. The activation code is used during your first login to activate your Nexentis account and set your password. The email also gives you access to the customer portal where you can manage billing, payment methods, invoices, and subscription details. You'll also find links to Nexentis add-ons and the support portal. That's it. Your Nexentis FQM subscription is now ready. The next video will show you how to install the desktop software and complete your first login.